everyone, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here, and I'm really excited to be unpacking this box of Lionbrand yarn. And what's really exciting for me is that this is, believe it or not, my very first box of yarn ordered from Lionbrand. And previously I've been buying my yarns at craft stores because I love being able to see and touch the yarns, feel the textures, and kind of get a sense of, what the yarn is like in person when I buy it. But I couldn't resist seeing all of those great yarn brands on Lionbrand yarn that I'm unable to get in store. So I'm pretty excited today to have received my shipment, and I'm about to unpack it and show you what I ordered inside. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. Let's see. Getting this side too. And kids, don't hold the scissors like I do. I'm a kind of a dangerous scissor holder. Not a good model for that. All right, and opening it up, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I can't wait to show you. Oh, so this is what I love about shopping online, because I can get these beautiful yarns that I can't find in store. This is Lionbrand's ice cream collection, and this one is called Gelato. Oh, I'm sorry. It's called, which color is this? Oh, Cotton Candy. Sorry, this is Cotton Candy. And just look at these pastel colors. I love them. Wow, I'm just thinking about all these beautiful baby blankets and projects I can make with this one. And I've ordered quite a few of these ice cream yarns because they're just so lovely with the different colors all in one ball. So this one is called Strawberry, and as you can see, there's this really lovely gradient going on. I think this will look so beautiful in a blanket, a scarf, or hat, or accessories, and even for amigurumi as well. For this ice cream series, I also ordered a couple of what they call the kind of like little sprinkles. So this one is called Vanilla Bean. As you can see, there's dark sprinkles. And this one is Bubblegum. So these sprinkle yarns will look really lovely when crocheted together because it will have almost like little spots in the design. And I'm planning to make some, or design some amigurumi animals with some of these spots that naturally occur in their, in the way they look. So I'm sort of thinking about like a snow leopard, or possibly, a Dalmatian would look really good with this yarn. And I can just picture it now. It's going to be beautiful. And these yarns are so very soft. I really love them. Oh, and of course, another ice cream. This is my last ball of ice cream yarn here. This one is called, I think, Blueberry. Yep, Blueberry. And I just love the look of this yarn because, similar to Strawberry, it has this very beautiful gradient going on, and it'll look so beautiful in so many different projects. I love it. Oh, thank goodness for Lionbrand for designing all these gorgeous balls of yarn. Next up, I have 3 more balls of yarn left. This one is called Carousel, and it's from Lionbrand's Wool Ease Thick and Quick collection. And I just love all the colors going on in this ball here. I recently made a couple amigurumi stuffies with the same Wool Ease Thick and Quick yarns, and they're the color changes are very, very beautiful and organic. And I just love how those stuffies turned out. I'll insert a picture right around here, and you can take a look and get an idea of how it would turn out in amigurumi. I'm planning to do something similar with this ball of yarn as well, and make another stuffy out of it. So that'll be a treat. And last, I have ordered these two balls of super bulky yarn as well. They're from Lionbrand's Hometown USA, and I've used Hometown yarn before to make quick and easy beanies and scarves, and the results are just beautiful because this is such a nice, thick, plush yarn that it looks beautiful and also feels beautiful and very luxurious. So I'm definitely really excited to be turning these into something wearable, and I also have some amigurumi projects lined up, so stay tuned for those. As always, I will be posting up some free patterns on my website, as well as some paid designs for some of the more complex designs that are created. But if you'd like to take a look, don't forget to stop by my site. And to finish off, I'm just gonna try my best to hold all these yarns up for you to see, because they're gorgeous. They really are. Again, there's from the ice cream collection, there's cotton candy, blueberry, strawberry, and the bubblegum. I have to remember these names here, and vanilla bean. So these are the ice cream yarns, lovely and gorgeous. And my arms are hardly long enough to hold all of these beautiful balls of yarn. Here is again that carousel colored yarn from Thick and Quick, and my beautiful, oh, I forgot to mention, these are called Providence Pink colors from Hometown USA. So take a look at all these beautiful balls of yarn, and if you'd like some of your own, don't forget to head over to the Lionbrand website and pick up these exclusive colors. I'll provide a link in the description below for easy access to the Lionbrand website, and feel free to check out these colors. All right, thank you so much for watching today, and stay tuned for more crochet related news, tips, tutorials, etc. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye now.